program, what I'm going to do is show you how to use the readLine function to read the user's input and store it as a string. Now, in the Hello World program, we saw the readLine function being used to pause the program for the user's input. In this program, we're going to use that for that purpose, and also to read in the user's name. So, just getting the title and the input/output out the way, and we're going to use the CRT class or unit to clear the screen again as well. And now we're just declaring a variable. We're calling the variable name, and then making it a string. I'll just put my begin and end. We'll clear the screen, and then what we're going to do is request the user's input. So we're using the right line. I'm just about to change that to right actually, and I'll explain why in a second. So please, let's change this right. So please enter your name. Okay, double dot, and what I want to do is get the cursor to flash after that point, so as when the user starts to type in his name, it doesn't come up, the name doesn't come up below the please enter your name, it actually comes up to the side. That's why I'm using right instead of right line. If I used right line, the cursor would flash below please enter your name, and that's where his name would go in. So I just think it looks a wee bit better doing it that way. So a read line in the name, which we've already declared at the top in the variables as a string, and when the user types anything in and then presses return, that input gets stored in the variable name. So then what we're doing here is we are doing another right line, and we're saying welcome, and then after that we put a wee comma and type in name, which is just a reference to the variable name again. It will type in whatever the user had entered, and then we're just typing in read line to pause the program before it ends to give us a chance to see what the result is. Okay, so we'll just give that a run. Let me second. Compile's okay, and we're running it. So as for the user's name, just typing in Gerard, and it comes up welcome Gerard. Okay, and that's how you would read an input in from the user and store it as a string.